Welcome to the video release notes of version 1.3.1 of Perspective EMS. Along with this video release notes, the documented Perspective EMS version 1.3.1 release notes are available at lensec.com. On this document, you will find information on the new feature additions, as well as some bug fixes and enhancements for Perspective EMS. Also, new for this version are some tutorials specifically focused on administration of settings, servers, and most importantly a new installation tutorial for version 1.3.1 that focuses on the new Install Shield wizard. Please be sure to check out those tutorials at lensec.com/tutorial. As for the feature changes within Perspective EMS, let's start at the camera viewer module. New to the camera viewer module is the ability to operate neighboring views within an archive playback state. So one of the nice features, as we see here in Perspective EMS, is the ability to watch live and recorded video at the same time. But one of the limitations previously was not having the ability to interact with the neighboring cameras. That is a new feature within Perspective EMS that while I'm still rewound to 11:46 of yesterday, we can enact the neighboring camera views, allowing you to see both the previous video and its corresponding neighbors. Also new to this version of Perspective EMS are some new features on the pan, tilt, zoom controls. Within the pan, tilt, zoom controls, you now can change your method of movement. So traditional joystick control, you can change that to a click to center control. Click to center will allow wherever you to click to move that to the center of the screen. Or you can change that to a select to zoom. Select to zoom allows you to draw a box and the camera will zoom to that particular spot of the PTZ. So again, the PTZ controls allow you to go from a traditional joystick to a click to center, or a select to zoom control, whichever focus is best suited for your particular user. Another neat feature with Perspective EMS version 1.3.1 is for people that are working with the cameras themselves and they need to jump to administration. Instead of going to administration and looking up this camera number, with one simple click you can open that camera up inside of administration, immediately allowing you to interact with the camera and make necessary modifications or changes. Also new to Perspective EMS 1.3.1 is the ability to hide a dialog box. So this dialog box allows you to administer services anytime you make a change to the camera. But if you don't want to see this dialog box every single time you adjust a camera, you can hide it. It will hide it for the duration of this session. By refreshing services, anytime you make a change to a setting or a parameter of that camera, it will refresh the services automatically for you so that they can take effect immediately. Also new to Perspective EMS 1.3.1 is support for HIK cameras and the camera models. HIK cameras are supported in both H.264 and MJPEG. The maps have also been given a new feature. If we look at the map layout designer, previously all you would see on the available map content would be active cameras or buildings. Now you have the ability to also show inactive cameras, allowing you to pre-stage an environment before making those cameras active. It can be very useful for initial configuration and installation of sites. Finally, while we're still in administration, let's take a look at the print ready views, which has also received an enhancement. The print ready views allow you to print whatever screen you're looking at here. So for example, we are in the map screen. We can print the map screen, which will show us all of the details for these particular maps, showing the name, description, building name, whether it's a floor map, the map order, etc. Within 1.3.1, we introduced a right click which allows you to show or hide columns, thereby creating your report much more customized. You can also move the columns to any order that you would like to see. Once these changes are made, the print map will reflect those changes. The print report will reflect those changes. And then finally, a new feature has been added to Perspective VMS for alert notifications. There's a tutorial on this at lensec.com/tutorial that talks about acknowledging events and defining pre-canned responses. These pre-canned responses can be administered inside of the settings area within Perspective VMS 1.3.1. Thank you for watching these video release notes on Perspective VMS version 1.3.1. If you have any questions, please contact support at lensec.com, or if you have any feature ideas, please email them to pvms@lensec.com.